Back in the early 2000s, most real estate players were focusing on developing high-end residential apartments in Mumbai. We realized these developments were profitable, but out of the reach for most Mumbaikars. Our ambition was to create great homes with thoughtful floor plans, brilliant views, and great lifestyle amenities, but within reasonable budget. So we scouted for locations that had superb growth potential as well as good present connectivity and conceptualized our next series of projects. Modern township with stunning high rises in future ready locations. We've launched townships at Badlapur, Panvel, Dombivli, and Kalyanshil. And Nextown is one of the best townships we are developing.
Nextown is spread over 14 acres of lush greenery just off Kalyanshil Road. Phase 1 has 6 stars. Phase 2 has 7 proposed stars.
Designed by our superb in-house design team, we went for an aesthetic inspired by Greco-Roman architecture that gives the entire development its own unique character, with spires and domes, arches and pillars, and our very own clock tower. We wanted to transport people away from the hustle of the city to a European town.
Located just off the arterial Kalyanshil Road, Nextown is bang in the middle of major residential, commercial, and industrial centers in the country, Thane, Kalyan, and Navi Mumbai. It is also equally accessible from Diva Shield Road, which connects to Mahape in the south, enabling easy access to all major business parks in the area. In fact, a lot of our residents work in Navi Mumbai. The Kalyanshil corridor has evolved as a major residential hub because of its close proximity to the business centers at Navi Mumbai and because of its vast untapped potential.
It's been 2 years in Marathon, and going to office is quite easy as we get shared autos from the main road. From there you can go to Diva, Dombivli or nearest Ghansoli stations.
I travel to my office by cab, car, my personal, or even there are a lot of carpools available. Till now we have not faced any issues.
हाईवे से अंदर है ये प्रॉपर्टी, लोकेशन बड़ा है और इजी है यहाँ से कम्यूट करना.
Just 2 kilometers ahead we have Shilpata, which is again that connects to Goa Road. So in terms of connectivity wise, we are enjoying the location.
Nextown also has superb rail connectivity via the Central Line. Closest station Diva is just 15 minutes away, with connectivity set to improve via the proposed road development, which is already underway. There are plenty of good schools, hospitals, and entertainment options in the neighborhood, which makes Kalyanshil one of the most livable areas in all of Dombivli.
If you prefer Palava, Casario, everything is almost 2.5 kilometers inside the main road. But Marathon Nextown is something 800 meters hardly from main road.
5 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे यहाँ पे सारे अमेनिटीज़ हैं, सोशल इंफ्रा ऑलरेडी बिल्टअप है, तो बढ़िया लोकेशन है.
The future is extremely bright for this entire region. This was one of the key reasons we chose this area for development.
Kalyanshil has today become one of the busiest roads in the region. The road is set to get a makeover and become 60 meters wide from the current 26 meters width, and work has already started. One of the most exciting developments in the area is the Airoli-Katai Tunnel Road. This road will provide direct connectivity to Airoli, making the central suburbs extremely accessible by bypassing the traffic at Mahape and cutting travel time by over 30 minutes. The Virar-Alibag Multimodal Corridor is a proposed 126-kilometer long project that will run very close to Nextown. It will comprise of road, metro, bus lanes, and greenways for pedestrians and bicycles. It will run all the way from Virar to Alibag and is set to be a major boost for development for the whole region. The proposed Vasai Panvel rail expansion will be the largest rail expansion project in the city and will provide excellent connectivity to Panvel and Vasai. Datiwali station on this line is just 6 kilometers from next town. The upcoming Kalyan Taloja metro line will also greatly improve connectivity. The new airport is also 27 kilometers from next town. All of this together powers the tremendous transformation story happening at Kalyanshil, and next town is right in the center of it all.
We wanted to give a wide range of choices to our customers. So Nextown offers thoughtfully planned apartments across a varied range of configurations and sizes.
The homes at Nextown are exceptionally designed. The floor plans are efficient, which means that there is minimal space wastage in passages. We have also provided storage niches for your wardrobes and a flower bed in the living room and master bedroom. Nextown has lush green surrounds, so you can enjoy spectacular sunsets from your home every day.
इस लोकेशन का मेन एडवांटेज है कि ये पीसफुली एरिया है, व्यूज़ एकदम क्लियर हैं, दूर दूर तक कंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं है.
Winter season, the scenic view might be everything. So when it is totally covered with fog, it's very good.
Marathon is surrounded by lots of trees and greenery all over the area. In Mumbai, it's difficult to find that environment. You go anywhere.
We've always taken pride in delivering world-class amenities in our developments, and it's no different at Nextown.
Nextown will have a superb clubhouse with a fully equipped gym, indoor games, a swimming pool, and more. With more than 82% open space, the township will also have a separate jogging track and a large kids' play area. There's something for everyone in the family.
When we come to see this Marathon Nextown location, the first thing we see that the construction quality, it's quite good and it's better than all other developers in the Shilphata area.
We use cutting-edge construction technology that ensure our structures are rock-solid, leak-proof, and built to last.
Our leadership team comprises of hardcore technocrats having decades of engineering and construction expertise, and we have been the pioneers of many best practices in the industry.
One of the things that sets us apart is that we have an excellent in-house team of engineers. Most developers outsource construction to contractors who work with fixed margin and hence have no incentive to improve quality or innovate. We do not outsource our construction. This means that we retain full control over our construction quality.
We've adopted cutting-edge engineering practices, like the aluminium formwork technology. We were one of the first to adopt this revolutionary technology when we constructed Marathon Era at Lower Parel. The technology allows faster, higher quality construction. Traditional construction uses ply for casting walls, which is prone to bending. We use aluminium shuttering, which means the walls are smoother and more durable and ensures that there are no cracks or leaks. It also allows us to build almost 3 times faster than traditional technology. Our construction is also monolithic. That means the columns, slabs, and beams in our buildings are typically poured all together, making it almost impossible to have leakages and cracks.
We retain tight control over quality at every step, right from the source of the raw material to the finished apartment.
Our engineers visit the source to check the quality of raw materials used in the concrete. In most of our projects, concrete is typically produced in an on-site batching plant. They produce high-quality concrete, which is pumped to the site for pouring within 30 minutes of production. The quality of all materials is tested at our on-site quality testing labs. Over the years, we have developed hundreds of innovative and unique construction practices. We use acrylic waterproofing to ensure your homes are leak-proof. We always use premium polymer-based external paints that need minimal maintenance.
The health, safety, and well-being of our residents is of the utmost importance to us.
We deploy automatic rescue devices in the elevators, and our buildings have advanced automatic addressable fire alarm systems. We also use low smoke hazard cables to reduce smoke in case of fire. We use tiles on all surfaces of our water tanks to prevent microorganisms from growing, to ensure water safety. To ensure electric safety, we deploy circuit breakers at 3 different levels of the electric system.
In short, Marathon structures are built to last. Our goal is to always deliver the highest quality product to our customers.
Your journey with Marathon just begins with the purchase of an apartment. Each of our customers gets assigned a dedicated relationship manager to assist them throughout their journey with us. Post-possession, our in-house facilities team helps maintain the premises and ensures a smooth transition to the society.
We are committed to transparency. You will find the details of all our ongoing projects, what you will get, and when you will get it on the RERA website. We also share regular construction updates.
If you have questions, feedback about our project or about our sales experience, or simply want to chat with me, you can mail me directly at management@marathonrealty.com. Purchasing an apartment is a very important thing and a special thing. For that, I will ensure that Marathon is with you at every step of the journey.
We hope you surely join us and welcome to Marathon family.